In this video, I'm going to show you how to share Wi-Fi and hotspot access without using a password. Before we proceed, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Let's get started. To do this, we're going to use a free app called Wi-Fi Link Share. Head to the Play Store and install this app. You'll also get the link in description below. Once installed, launch the app. It will walk through the navigation. Now from here, click on the Hotspot tab below. Now the Hotspot section, rename the hotspot and add a password. Now click on this hotspot icon. To go to the hotspot setting, from here turn the hotspot on. Now click on this QR code button. It will show you two QR code options. Select one that you like the most. Now, you can download the image or print it out. Users will be easily able to scan the QR code to connect with hotspot. You can also use the same process to share your Wi-Fi connections with people. That's it, guys. This is how you can share Wi-Fi and hotspot access without using a password. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. I love free software TV for more videos like this.